Hey guys, I'm Dhriti. This is my very first video and today we'll do a very simple project using Arduino Uno. So this project is perfect for beginners out there like you who've just gotten your Arduino Uno boards and kits. Today we'll make an LED blink with the help of Arduino Uno and some basic programming. If you have already powered up your Arduino Uno board, you must be knowing that it has 3 built-in LEDs. We will make the third LED blink today. If you think that this project is simple for you and you want to use an external LED, you can skip this part and watch the project in the later part of this video. Now without any delay, let's get started. There are as such no special requirements for this project. You'll only need your Arduino Uno and you'll need this printer connector, which will help you connect from your board to your laptop. Success! We now performed our first project, so we move on to the more advanced version of the same project. Well, for this project, we'll need our Arduino Uno, 2 jumper cables, preferably of different colors, 1 LED, 1 printer cable, and a breadboard. Well, is it made of bread? Doesn't look like it. And now over to connections. So there's not many connections to make. You just plug in the LED and always remember that the longer pin of the LED is positive and the shorter pin of the LED is negative. So we just plug in the LED. Use our wires with the wires. We use our wires, one to the positive pin and the other one to the negative pin, and one end goes into pin number 9 and the other pin goes into your ground pin, the second ground pin in power. So there are 2 ground pins in power. The upper one is the one we're using right now. You plug in the USB cable and whoa, we're done. Thank you for watching the video.